Hi, I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. Filing for bankruptcy can feel overwhelming, but with the right preparation, you can make the process smoother and less stressful. Today, I'll walk you through the essential steps to prepare for your bankruptcy filing. The first step is to gather all your financial documents. This includes recent bank statements, pay stubs, tax returns, and a list of all your debts. Having these documents ready will help your attorney get a clear picture of your financial situation. Next, create a detailed list of your assets and liabilities. This should include everything you own, such as your home, car, and personal belongings, as well as all your debts. Be honest and thorough. This information is crucial for your bankruptcy case. Once you've gathered your documents and created your lists, schedule a consultation with a bankruptcy attorney. At Fairmax Law, we'll review your information, discuss your options, and help you decide whether Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy is right for you. Before you can file for bankruptcy, you must complete a credit counseling course. This course, which can be done online or over the phone, will provide you with information about managing your finances and alternatives to bankruptcy. Finally, stay organized and responsive. Your attorney will need additional information and documentation as your case progresses. Respond promptly to their requests to ensure your case moves forward without delays. Preparing for bankruptcy might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can navigate the process with confidence. At Fairmax Law, we're here to support you every step of the way. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us help you take the first step towards a fresh financial start.